Shanaziz, can you hear me? Shanaziz.
यस सर आवाज आ रही है.
ओके थैंक यू. और स्क्रीन भी बेटा नजर आ रही है? शान अजीज, कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन?
हेलो.
जी बेटा, स्क्रीन
हेलो.
नजर आ रही है आपको?
जी जी सर स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है.
चलो, thank you so much. We will start in 2 to 3 minutes, and when we have all the participants. So today your quiz is very short, only 5 questions luckily, and I hope these quizzes will help you in understanding more, learning more, and which type of questions you will have in your exams. So instructions are same. There will be questions on your laptop screen or one device screen, and you have to give answer on another screen or another device, screen of another device like cell phone or laptop another. And you have to open kahoot.it, kahoot.it in on another device, and then you have to add the pin code and you have to give the answer. So we have only 5 questions today, and in last you have to take the screenshot and share the screenshot with your CR so he can compile the result. Without screenshot we will not verify the marks. Ji Kashif Salim.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
वालेकुम सलाम.
सर मैंने इतना कहना था कि सर अगर वेब से हम यूज़ करें ना तो ये ज़्यादा मतलब उसको कनेक्शन रिक्वायर होता है, ज़्यादा एमबी ज़रूरत होते हैं. अगर हम ये प्ले स्टोर से एप्लीकेशन kahoot.it की कर लें तो वो विद इन फ्यू एमबी वो मतलब प्रॉपर रेगुलर वर्क करता है.
Very good, thank you so much. Everyone please listen the advice from Kashif Salim, and he is advising very right. You can download the app kahoot.it from Google Play Store or from any stores from where you can download it and install in your cell phones for quizzes. So we will have 2 or 3 more quizzes in this week inshallah, and it will help you. Thank you Kashif Salim. So who is Ali Usman? Do we have Ali Usman in our classroom? Shanaziz? Do you
जी
know
सर अली
Ali
उस्मान
Usman?
नहीं है. सर
Oh,
उस्मान है 5th सॉरी 8th सेमेस्टर से शायद वो होगा.
okay. So he
उस्मान जो
enrolled,
सीनियर है.
Usman Ali, Muhammad Usman.
यस सर मुझे
So
लगा.
he enrolled with us.
यस सर.
Okay, okay. Thank
उसने
you
मुझे
so much.
कहा था सर कि वो ऐड करना है उसको, तो मैंने उसको ग्रुप में भी ऐड कर दिया.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. So after 1 minute, we will start. Instructions will be same. Everyone should be ready. And quiz will not stop for everyone. Once it started, there is only 5 questions today. And you have to take the screenshot in the last. You have 20 seconds and you have to give the answer in 20 seconds. And we have 25 almost participants, and I'm going to start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's my request for to the CR and GR, please send the code to the respective groups, so if the students are late they can use that code. I hope you guys learn a lot from these activities, especially in the learning prospect of a specific topic. It's moving. Okay, it's loading now. So ready to join. Hopefully we will get the code soon and then we will start it. maybe some internet issue or maybe some this. Okay, we have the code, thank God. 722573. The code is 722573. 722573. 722573. 722573. And we have Khudabaksh, first player, then Ikra Saeed, very good. So everyone please join. So we will start in 1 minute. And everyone is struggling very hard, and I really appreciate all the students and the struggle of all the students. Okay, Shan is also here. Sabika, Abu Bakr, Aruj, Rukaiya, Hasnat. Okay, I think everyone is here, so I'm going to start it. Good luck, everyone. Please be focused. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chow Fastman. Today the topic is Chow Fastman. 3, 2, 1. Question number 1. Chow Fastman algorithm is for dash structure prediction. Primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. Very good. Very good. So scoreboard will like Ikra Said on the top slot, followed by Asma, Shan Aziz, Mariam Kasmi, Mahtab Ali. Good to see you, Shan Aziz, in the top list. Question number 2. Amino acids dash useful for secondary structure. Amino acids nature, amino acids propensities, amino acids behavior, or amino acids length. Today the quiz is bit easy. Okay, still we have one student with the behavior of amino acid. Okay, scoreboard is like Shan Aziz maintain his position on third slot. Question number 3 is the rigidity of cannot generate alpha helical structures. Alanine, proline, lysine, glutamic acid. Okay, still 24 is on the right answer. Very good, everyone. So we have 2 more questions. After that, please take the screenshot and scoreboard. Okay, Shan Aziz just lose the position. Khudabaksh is in the list, followed by Zarmina. Good luck, everyone, for the question 4. Dash ways to analyze significance view of propensities. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, now the scoreboard will disturb, I think. And after that, we have last question. So everyone, please take the screenshot after that. Yes, Khudabaksh is on the top, followed by Hafza, Hira, Asma, and Kashif Slim. Last question. Very close, Khudabaksh and Hafza. Last question. After that, please take the screenshot. Chow-Fasman method calculation rules are computational, ad hoc, statistical, or calculated. Okay, 24 is still on the Right answer. Very good. So we are going towards the scoreboard. Everyone, please take your screenshots. On the podium, we have third slot for Hafsa. Very good. Five out of five, Hira. And the top one is Khudabas. Very good, Khudabas. Very good. So runner-up are Asma and Mahtab Ali. Very good, everyone. So I hope you guys learned a lot from this activity. And if anyone has any question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, we will finish this. If anyone has any question, please raise your hand. Munib. Munib, where you are, man? Okay, you can text me in the group. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Please send your screenshots to your CR, and he can compile your result. Thank you so much, everyone.